Hi foodies, if your chicken stew never comes out rich like this, you might be skipping one simple step. Let me show you what makes the difference. First, I start by washing my tomatoes and pepper properly. Then I blend everything together till it's smooth. You don't want it too watery, neither do you want it too thick. Just this right consistency. Now, this is the step many people skip. I cook the tomatoes down first to remove excess water. It reduces that sour taste and helps the stew fry properly instead of just boiling. Now for the chicken, I started by cutting it into the number of pieces I wanted. Then I went ahead to wash it properly, after which I seasoned it. All the ingredients I use will be listed in the description box. But when it comes to seasoning, you can do you. Use whatever spices you like and just ensure you season it properly. Then I let it cook in its own flavor or in its own juice so the seasoning goes deep into the chicken. It also gives me a rich stock to use later. Then I fry it till golden. This adds more flavor and helps the chicken hold up inside the stew. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, it will actually cost you nothing to subscribe. So please hit the subscribe button and you will keep getting simple meals like this. Now for the base, I started with oil. I made use of the oil I used in frying my chicken. Then I went in with onions. This helps flavor the oil and brings out the natural sweetness. Then I let it heat for a while. Then I added my garlic. So it also releases that rich aroma in the oil. Then I added my tomato mix. As you can see, at this stage, you are not just cooking, you are building flavor, so we don't have to rush this part. Now I season to taste, but while you're at it, remember that your meat stock also has seasoning in it. So while you're seasoning, take note of that so that everything balances well. Now for this, how you get to know that your stew is almost ready is when you get to see the oil starting to separate. So for this part, I added the chicken back in and I let it cook in the sauce first before adding any stock. This helps the chicken absorb all the flavor and also allows the stew to fry properly instead of becoming watery too quickly. Then I go ahead and add that rich stock just to balance the consistency and deepens the flavor even more. And this is when you know it's ready. Once the oil separates, your stew is fully cooked, rich, deep, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and also turn on your post notification button for more simple Nigerian meals. Thank you for watching. See you in my next episode.